doing? Giuseppe! I almost forgot.
No, you can't do that.
What are you doing?
I just got the hose from Napa Auto Parts. Look, they made a brand new one. It's just exactly the same.
Good.
So, I'm gonna...
Now look, you have two different ends on it. One has a smaller bend and one has a longer bend, see?
Right, so...
Are you ready? Here. This goes in here.
Just put it over my head.
See it right there?
Alright, I spec. Alright, that should do. Alright, is that all the way through?
Yep, it's all ready for you to put it together up front.
Alright.
Can you get out?
Yeah, I got it.
Here, let me help you out. Let me help you out.
Not again.
I'll help you out. I'll help you get out.
Good.
Hey, here he is.
Station.
Now for everybody, you know, I have a secure pipe right here, because you know, you never know. But you do know, because all the weight is behind the pivoting point over there. But I put it anyway. Okay, try.
All right.
No. Easy, go ahead. Okay, you're good. Wait. All right. Come here, cameraman. Give me a nice, big, old-fashioned hug. This is a working man's handshake. No.
If your hands look like this at the end of the day, that's how you know you did something that day. Am I right?
It's true, it's true. And when your arms look like this, forget about it. Forget about it. I need water. All right, let's go. Let's finish up.
All right, now we make for the test. The ignition on this truck ain't the best. It's old and all that. It's shot. It's no good. And another thing with this truck, the seat leaks.
All right, see if it starts. See, right now you got a little air in the system. You got to wait until it circulates out, and then it'll be fine.
Yep.
All right, you're good.
I think you're good.
All right, you're good. Shut it off, and that's it.
All right. Yo, you want to know how many miles this truck has? Check it out. It's almost 400,000 miles, and the truck still runs.
Anyway, in the meantime, taking over the world.